This is Aftermath. Oh. Like, it's like 8:42. Oh, no. I know y'all just saw that. Oh, my God. Oh, is that Supercell? Supercell. Those are fireworks. Oh, my God. There's supercells. There are supercells. There are literally supercells. Oh, my God. There's a supercell right there. Oh, God. No way, bro. Oh, my God. I gotta go pee so bad. Oh, my God. Oh, lighting. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I'm going down just a tad bit farther. That's a firework. Never mind. Oh, no. This is too scary, bro. Like, look at that. Like a perfect void, bro. Ah, God. Anyways, it's like a perfect void. Oh, lightning. Oh, God. That one was not a firework, just to show y'all. Over there is what I'm scared of. I'm scared of over there because look at it. Just look at it. That is literally one gateway to hell. And just to note that every storm that comes, that was a lightning bolt. That was a straight up fucking lightning bolt. Alright, anyways, the storm that came over there is now going to come this way. But as you may see, it goes that, then that. Apparently they're experiencing a storm. Look at that purple thing. That's literally bolts just being ready to strike. Is nobody concerned about these lightning bolts or like what? I literally just see like a fledged lightning bolt strike right in my face. Like that. Just like that. Like that. I know y'all should have seen it. Yep. That's the evidence. Oh, God. That was another one. That one was a feint, though. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I haven't really experienced this. The sky is changing colors. Now it's going to turn green. Because as you may see, it's green all over there. It's green all over there. And whatever I said, comes over there. And then it comes back here. Look at the sky. It's like bright. Oh my God, I almost just dropped my phone. Anyways. Yeah, it's like brightest day ever. It literally looks like that. It's like the earliest morning ever. No clue on how the sky is gonna go though. Oh yeah, it's looking. Oh dang! I just missed it. Yeah, those bolts are not trying to be played with. Ooh. That was a firework. What is that light right there? The What is that light? It looks so damn dark. Like, literally so much. Like, it might like look like bright. Dude, I actually have no way to explain this. Fuck. The sky is literally changing color. Oh, look at that. It's an actual change right in the air. What's it gonna change? I think it's forming an eye? No way. An eye? Oh, nah. It just did that and then decided to close. Ooh. Just imagine, because that's gonna come this way. Because, like, bruh.